Hi everyone, my name is Kay and I am a home business called Bomb Diva. I have this really cool champagne bottle mold that I received in the mail 48 hours ago from Icing Inspirations in Ontario. It is the BWB mold 3649 and I'm just super excited to be offering this as an option for Christmas this year. It is a 3-piece mold, so you've got your bottom, you have your top, and then you have your insert. I'm sorry I'm not usually working like this. I don't have my regular tools out because I just wanted to do a quick demo video. You can see here very, very difficultly that the line for the neck is about here. And then there's a line for the bottom, which is about here. This is my very first time using the mold, so I'm assuming whatever I pour in here is going to slide down once we put the inserts in. So let's give it a shot and see how we make out. Good enough for demonstration purposes. Okay, so now put these inserts in there. I'm usually a silicone girl and I introduced myself to 3-piece molds this year and they are certainly a lot easier. Put this on top, a big smush, get it all together, and then we take it and we flip it over. Work any of this chocolate that isn't in other spots up here, little bare spots. Make sure it's down. Don't worry about it if it drips over the sides like this. Hopefully we have enough chocolate in here. Oh, this is gonna be so cool. I can't wait. Okay, so this looks good. We're all ready to go. Some people like to leave it at room temperature, let it dry. I don't have the patience from nowhere to wait because I'm just too excited. I love chocolate, love working with it, love making things for people, putting a smile on their faces. So I'm gonna pop this into the freezer. Maybe give it 10 minutes. It's pretty large. So I'm gonna stop the video here and I'll be back as soon as it's hardened itself up. I have this out of the freezer after it was in there for 5 minutes. This is my second take because the first one cracked. I don't think this one's going to remove. See how the white, it looks white here? That's actually like a layer between the mold and the chocolate of air that's letting loose on the mold, but it isn't on this side. I think my freezer's almost, you know how you get hot spot on your barbecue or in your oven or whatnot? I think that's the same thing for the freezer. But let's just see if maybe we can get it out somehow anyway. Wow, see? Can you hear the cracking noise? It's lifting now, but I just hope that it hasn't actually like cracked. I don't know, I've kind of tried to let it get up to a little bit warmer temperatures here. What I need to do is heat up a pan and melt each side just so that they're kind of a little bit more mellow leveled off than what came out of the mold. And then I will flip them over, put some candy or whatnot in them. I have some Quality Street chocolate right now that I'll probably put in there. Snap some photos of what the inside looks like. Put it together, and probably at this point right now I might paint the neck with some I have colored cocoa butter that I have to temper, and also have some luster dust so that I can turn into paint for like a gold neck or a silver neck. Otherwise, I don't know, I think it's pretty cool. I'll have to come and figure out some kind of label for the front. I don't know, I might hand paint something, but yeah, so I have other molds too. If you liked this video, please give me a like and a thumbs up, and you can comment down below. I also have these molds. It's a big snowflake, and then this one as well, which is a big gingerbread man or person, whatever you want to say. And I want to make these also into smash cakes. This I call is a smash cake to me, because I would assemble it with a hammer on the side so my customer could smash it open and they'll get all their yummy treats from inside, as well as they'd be able to eat the shell, the bottle. So I will put in the comment below, I will tag icing inspirations and BWB molds and Calibut chocolate. Those are what I used to do this video. Thanks for watching.